Imagine a world where the mysteries of the mind and the universe converge, a realm where science and the paranormal are no longer at odds but intertwined. Could the very fabric of reality, as described by quantum physics, hold the key to explaining phenomena like telepathy, precognition, and psychokinesis? As we delve into the principles of quantum mechanics, a provocative question arises. Are the enigmatic behaviors of particles at the subatomic level the same forces driving experiences we call paranormal? The intersection of quantum mechanics and parapsychology presents a compelling frontier for exploring phenomena that have long eluded scientific explanation. Concepts such as telepathy, precognition, and psychokinesis challenge traditional scientific paradigms. However, principles from quantum physics, like entanglement, superposition, and the observer effect, offer intriguing frameworks that may shed light on these mysterious experiences. Quantum mechanics governs the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic levels, where classical physics no longer provides accurate descriptions. Key principles include, number 1, quantum entanglement. This phenomena occurs when particles become interlinked such that the state of one instantaneously influences the state of another, regardless of the distance between them. This quote-unquote spooky action at a distance, as Einstein termed it, suggests a deep interconnectedness with the quantum realm. Number 2 is wave-particle duality. Particles like electrons exhibit both wave-like and particle-like properties. The behavior observed depends on experimental conditions, indicating that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a concept known as superposition. Third, we have the observer effect. The act of measurement affects the system being observed. In quantum mechanics, observing a particle can alter its state, implying that consciousness may play a role in determining physical reality. These principles reveal a universe where particles are interconnected, can exist in multiple states at once, and are influenced by observation, parallels that resonate with descriptions of paranormal phenomena. Now, if we discuss quantum entanglement and telepathy, telepathy refers to the direct transmission of information from one mind to another without using known sensory channels. While mainstream science remains skeptical due to a lack of a known mechanism, quantum entanglement offers a potential explanation. If human consciousness can establish entangled states, information could, in theory, be transmitted instantaneously between individuals. Physicist Brian Josephson has suggested that processes akin to quantum entanglement might underlie telepathic experiences. He claims that just as particles can become entangled, so might complex systems like the human brain, facilitating direct mind-to-mind communication. While this hypothesis remains speculative, it provides a scientific framework for exploring telepathy. When discussing precognition and quantum superposition, precognition involves perceiving events before they occur. Quantum superposition, where particles exist in multiple states until observed, introduces the possibility that future events could influence the present. The concept of retrocausality in quantum physics suggests that under certain conditions, effects can precede their causes. Recent theoretical developments propose that quantum mechanics allows for information to travel backward in time, potentially enabling precognitive experiences. This perspective opens new avenues for understanding how information about the future might be accessible in the present. Then we have psychokinesis and the observer effect. Psychokinesis, or the ability to influence physical objects with the mind, has been the subject of parapsychological research. The observer effect in quantum mechanics demonstrates that observation can alter a particle's state. This raises the question, could focused intention similarly affect physical systems? Some researchers propose that consciousness might interact with quantum fields, allowing mental states to influence physical reality. Experiments involving random number generators have shown patterns that some interpret as evidence of mind-matter interaction, though these findings are controversial and require further validation. Advancements in quantum physics continue to deepen our understanding of the quantum world, with potential implications for parapsychology. First, we have extended quantum superposition. This is where researchers have maintained atoms in a state of superposition for up to 23 minutes, a significant increase from previous durations. The stability could enhance quantum computing and our understanding of quantum states, potentially informing theories about consciousness and its interaction with the quantum realm. Secondly, we have quantum entanglement at high energies. Experiments at the Large Hadron Collider have observed entanglement in top quarks, the heaviest known particles. This finding demonstrates that entanglement occurs at higher energy levels than previously confirmed, suggesting that quantum effects may be more pervasive than understood. And thirdly, quantum theories of consciousness. New theoretical frameworks propose that consciousness may arise from quantum processes within the brain. These models aim to bridge the gap between quantum mechanics and cognitive science, offering potential explanations for parapsychological phenomena. Before I get into my last segment, if you've ever done research in quantum physics, quantum mechanics, and how these studies relate to parapsychology, please reach out to me or connect. I would love to do an interview with you and learn more about your work. I need help from experts to educate the masses, and those who explore these fields have so much to teach. I would love to help share that knowledge and expertise with the world. Applying quantum mechanics to parapsychology faces significant challenges. First, there's scale differences. Quantum effects are typically observed at microscopic scales, while parapsychological phenomena occur at the macroscopic level of human experience. Demonstrating that quantum processes can influence large-scale systems like the brain is complex and remains an open question. Second, a lack of empirical evidence. Parapsychological claims often lack replicable experimental support. The scientific method requires consistent, observable, and measurable phenomenon, which parapsychology has struggled to provide. And thirdly, quantum mysticism. The misapplication of quantum concepts to justify pseudoscientific claims has led to skepticism. Terms like quantum healing and quantum consciousness are often used without scientific basis, and some individuals are of the opinion that using this terminology may undermine legitimate scientific inquiry in these areas. Despite these challenges, exploring the intersection of quantum mechanics and parapsychology encourages a deeper examination of consciousness and reality. Both fields challenge conventional paradigms and invite innovative thinking. Future research could focus on things like experimental investigations, designing experiments that test for quantum effects in biological systems, particularly the brain, to explore potential connections to consciousness. Second is interdisciplinary collaboration, bringing together physicists, neuroscientists, and parapsychologists to develop comprehensive models that integrate quantum mechanics with theories of the mind. And thirdly, technological advancements, utilizing emerging technologies in quantum computing and neuroimaging to investigate the quantum aspects of cognition and perception. By pursuing these avenues, science can rigorously explore the potential connections between quantum mechanics and parapsychology, moving beyond speculation to empirical validation. The convergence of quantum mechanics and parapsychology offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possible quantum underpinnings of paranormal phenomena. While current evidence is inconclusive, continued interdisciplinary research may one day unravel the mysteries of the consciousness and its interaction with the quantum world, bridging the gap between science and the paranormal. If you've taken time out of your day to watch this video, thank you. This channel is intended to be a safe space for curious minds to discuss the taboo nature of parapsychology in an open-minded manner. That being said, if you're interested in sharing your work, personal experiences with psychic abilities, or pertinent research in regard to parapsychology, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description box below, and if you want to watch more videos about parapsychology, be sure to subscribe to be notified when new content is released.